Floodwaters continue to rise in Thailand, inundating 61 out of 77 provinces, affecting about 2.4 million households or 8.2 million people, swamping factories, destroying more than 10% of the country's rice farms, and possibly costing the country about $4 billion. Already, at least 300 people and millions of livestock have been reported dead in the past days. Despite assurances by Thai authorities, floodwaters continue to rush into the city of Bangkok this week, especially last night, catching people unaware, unprepared, especially in this community, including its monks.
Since the government try to calm down the people, I noticed they are not telling the truth. They said the big flood has gone to the sea already, but it is not true at all.
Authorities and volunteers are preparing for the worst as floodwaters come closer to the capital, Bangkok. Nobody is spared: the rich, the poor, the children, and the elderly. And most affected are the thousands of ordinary workers who lost their jobs after factories closed and businesses suspended operations. The Thai people, however, are showing to the world that despite past conflicts, they can stand together to face the challenges. Everybody is fighting a common enemy: climate change.
Climate change is such a big issue, and the floods come in different ways, in different places, and the response, you don't have a ready-made response.
But there is still hope, and the initiatives of the Catholic Church in Thailand are very much geared to the coordinating and providing practical and material assistance throughout the disaster zone.
So now Caritas Thailand try to not to supply the bottles of drinking water, but we try to supply this one. The company guarantee that you just draw water from the canals and put it here, and slowly the water would come here. Then you can drink the water from the canals. Flood is coming to these areas, tomorrow to that areas. You have to prepare yourself how to brave these critical times. This is what we are doing. The leaders of the communities is very important. Call all the people together and let them know what we are going to do. In the past there were conflict. Now no more conflict. No more red shirt or yellow shirt. People coming, helping each other. It's a very beautiful scenarios. It is a time of solidarities, a time of reconciliation, how to help each other to prevent the flood.
This is Joe Torres reporting for UCAnews.com in Bangkok.